Ever feel like you're missing out on the full picture of biological optimization? The journey to unlocking peak cellular function can feel like navigating a maze without a map. Today, we're cutting through the noise to explore a fascinating area of peptide research, BPC-157. This compound is at the forefront of laboratory investigations into how biological systems orchestrate fundamental tissue repair and regeneration. We'll dive deep into the molecular signals and pathways observed in studies, giving you the raw data to understand potential mechanisms. Let's decode the cellular conversations happening under the microscope and uncover what science is revealing about BPC-157's exciting properties. BPC-157, or Body Protection Compound 157, is a synthetic peptide variant under active scientific investigation. It's a robust 15 amino acid sequence, structurally related to a protective peptide found in gastric juice. Early research focused on its observed effects in gastrointestinal tract healing and cellular protection studies. Scientists are now exploring its broader influence on diverse tissue types in various experimental models. These laboratory studies aim to understand its precise molecular signaling properties and potential regenerative roles. Now, understanding how peptides like BPC-157 operate isn't just about identifying a single action. The true conceptual challenge in peptide research lies in deciphering the intricate web of molecular signaling, how one peptide can influence multiple growth factor pathways, cell differentiation, and inflammatory cascades simultaneously. It's about charting that complex systemic symphony of biological communication. To keep up with all the cutting-edge insights and deep dives into performance science, make sure you're following peptides.today and tuning into my research briefings. Let's keep optimizing. All right, let's stop guessing and start knowing. Get ready to trace molecular engineering behind cellular repair. Research indicates BPC-157 boosts observed growth factor production, especially VEGF, in experimental tissue models. This cellular signaling supports angiogenesis, fostering new blood vessel formation essential for nutrient delivery in studies. Furthermore, studies explore its influence on modulating inflammatory responses, creating an environment conducive to tissue regeneration. These mechanisms suggest a broad capacity for influencing repair pathways, observed across various laboratory investigations. So, the science behind BPC-157 reveals a fascinating landscape of cellular communication and regenerative potential currently under intense investigation. The insights from ongoing research provide a molecular blueprint for understanding fundamental biological repair. We'll continue to track these developments at peptides.today. Make sure to follow my work and peptides.today for more deep dives into performance science. Before we sign off, a quick legal disclaimer. This podcast is for informational purposes only and is not medical advice. All compounds discussed are for research use only and not for human consumption. Always consult a licensed healthcare provider for medical needs and treatment.